Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Composer on Windows 10 or 11. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can download the Composer. So first, what you need to do is to go to the Composer official website, and I'm going to put the link description down below so you can just check the link in there. And then after you've gone to the website, what you need to do here is to simply click the download button. So what you do next is to click onto the Composer setup.exe to download the Composer setup file. So after that, just double click to execute the Composer setup file and click onto the install for all users option. And additionally, pop-up may come up on Windows. You just click yes button to move ahead. So the installation options, do not make any changes in this step and just click on to the next button, and it will select your PHP location by default. So if it does not so select your PHP right here and the location right here, and then just proxy in the proxy settings, just leave the default settings and click on to the next button again. And for the ready to install, just compose, or the composer is now ready to install and display the setting summary. So just simply click onto the install button, and once the installation is completed, it will display an information. So again, just click onto the next button, and finally you will see the completing Composer screen and just click onto the finish button. So now you've successfully installed Composer on your Windows 10 or 11. So that's it for this video. That's how you can download or install the Composer on Windows. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.